Okay, Jai Swaminarayan, we have started our next chapter, that is it true? No two zebras have identical stripes. That is true. Only the female mosquitoes bites. True. All canaries sing beautifully. It is false. Unlike the ostrich, Riha and the emu can fly. It is false. An ant can pull loads up to 300 times its weight. It true. Uh, Conservation means steps taken by people, government and organization to protect trees, animals and nature. It is true. Dogs are short-sighted. True. An owl can see even the total darkness. True. The poacher are people who cares and for the wild animals. It is false. A bird gets angry when it sees its color red. It is false. Then next topic, that is insect. The insect word. Unscrabble letters to get the name of each insect. So here are the unscrabble word given. We have to write the correct word. Moths used to attract white flowers. They can see the color of white easily in the dark. The ears of a grasshopper are near its knees. Then dragonfly are the faster flying insect, reaching the speed of over 25 km per hour. They have 4 wings and can fly backwards. There are more kinds of beetles than there are varieties of any other creature. So then we see the birds which are insects which are good and bad also. The termites destroy the furniture. Silkworm produce silk. Locusts destroy crops. Lice feed on bloods of animals, and bees make honey. Right now. So let's start the next chapter. That is sports around us. So we revise this chapter properly because it is teach the correct answer. Okay, so 2017 she became the highest ever score in women's one day international cricket. Mithali Raj or Harmanpreet Kaur? It's Mithali Raj. The movie Dangal is about a father played by Amir Khan who coaches his daughter to become a champion of wrestler or badminton player. It's wrestler. Then PKL was started in 2014. It is a very popular now. PKL stands for People Kabaddi League or Pro Kabaddi League. It's Pro Kabaddi League. A long distance race, 42.195 for athletes. It's marathon or hurdle? It's hurdle. It's marathon. I'm sorry, it's marathon. The Tour de France is the most famous race of its kind in car racing or cycling. It's cycling. Sachin Tendulkar, Saurav Ganguly, Abhishek Bachchan, MS Dhoni and John Ibrahim won IPL cricket team or ISL football team? It is ISL football team. In 2017, thrower Devendra Raj Jhanjariya became the first para-athletic and athlete who is differentiable to win Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. It is javelin or hammer, it's javelin. Then she won more Grand Slam women's single title than any other tennis player. That is Venus Williams or Serena Williams. She is Serena Williams. Then she is a great tennis player from Spain. Gabriel Muguruza or Maria Sharapova. So she is Garvin Muguruza. Okay. Then next. Magic of music. So it is the instrument. It is trumpet, trambophone, then saxophone, then piccolo and oboe. Then Shankar plays violin. Then Srinivas plays mandolin or santoor. It is mandolin. And then Pandit Ravi Shankar daughter Anushka Shankar plays sitar or sarod. She plays sitar. So let's start our next chapter, that is cloth of the word. So interchange the bold letters and write the correct. The bold letters are wrong. You have to write the correct sentence, correct answer. Okay. The kilt is an international garment worn by the Japanese men, women, and children, it is kimono. Okay, the she is wearing a poncho, a loose wrap around a garment, usually colorful. It is usually colorful. It was in many parts in South East Asia, that is sarong. And this skirt is also is called a kimono. It's not kimono, it's a kilt. It is the national costume of Switzerland. Then it is he is wearing oh, it is poncho, a type of shawl also worn by women South America, and sometimes it is used as a blanket. The colorful cloth or handkerchief that this man has on his head is called a bandana. Women wear it too. Many singers and sports persons also wear on nowadays. This man is wearing a bow tie and a dress suit. Okay, so it is the name of special costume or dress. Fitness and fun. So let's see here. Some activities help us to help people exercise and get fit while having fun. Look at these pictures and choose the correct option from the box below. It can be done indoor on artificial walls or outdoor. So it is B, that means rock climbing. Then next, in this adventure sports, you jump off a high structure to which you are attached by cords. So it is bungee jumping. Then third one, this sport can be done on both water and snow. So it is skiing. Jumping from a high spot, usually an aeroplane with a parachute. So it is skydiving. Then next, going on a adventurous walk to enjoy the natural beauty of a place, usually in a hilly area. So it is trekking. Then swimming with a diving mask to see marine creatures in their natural habitat, especially in a coral reef. So it is snorkeling. So let's start our next topic about yes or no. So write yes or no. It is also important, okay, because our question paper is in MCQ form. Na? Is the femur, that is thigh bone, longest bone in our body? So yes. Is it possible to sneeze with your eyes open? No. When we get the same illness again after recovering a little, do we call it as a relapse? Yes. Do your lungs pump blood to all parts of your body? No. Does each hand have as many as 27 bones? Yes. Does your skin become wrinkled if you spend a long time in water? Yes. If a liver is damaged, can a part of another person's liver be transplanted in his or her body? Yes. If you were having cardiac problem, would your eyes being given you trouble? No. Are muscles like special fiber thick string that shorten, lengthen, make parts of your body move? Yes. Does a person who smokes damage his lungs and heart? So yes. So let's start the next. That is super scientist. He is the one. Okay, minute. Just check whether it is in our syllabus or not. Super scientist. Okay. Yeah, it is in our syllabus. Fine. Name this great scientist who choose their name from the box. So he is one of the greatest scientists ever. One day while he was sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him. He studied the force that pulled an apple towards the ground, and it is called the gravity. It is Isaac Newton. Then early cameras were very heavy. He invented a lighter camera and was the first to use roll of film. So it is George Eastman. He was a British mathematician who designed a machine called analytical engine